Hello everyone, in today's video we are learning how we can create a beautiful cloud illustration in Adobe Illustrator software. So let's start our video. For creating a cloud, first we have to choose a ellipse tool for making a circle. Now press shift and drag like this. Now press V and Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V for paste. Again copy, paste. Now uh, Now choose Shift plus Alt key and drag like this. Now again paste. Now choose rectangle tool and make a rectangle like this. Now select all the shapes and using shape mode unite all. There is a error there is error in this, so we have to choose one more time rectangle tool and make a rectangle like this. Now we select both the shapes and now minus front using key you can minus the shapes and you get a cloud. Now color the cloud with blue color or whatever you like, then stroke will be off. Now we make a shadow effect in it, so go to effects, stylize and drop shadow and click OK. You can increase opacity or decrease as your choice. Now this is a simple cloud illustration you will get. Thank you.